Mr. Cat, what does avoid mean?
It is used to express the action of staying away from something or someone, or to not do something.
Mr. Cat, what does escape mean?
Break free from confinement or control.
Mr. Cat, what does garbage mean?
Wasted or spoiled food and other refuse, as from a kitchen or household.
Mr. Cat, what does insect mean?
A small arthropod animal that has 6 legs and generally 1 or 2 pairs of wings.
Mr. Cat, what does mug mean?
Attack and rob someone in a public place.
Mr. Cat, what does mad mean?
That describes a person or situation that is angry, insane, or mentally unstable.
Mr. Cat, what does rumor mean? Wow, Mr. Cat.
Currently circulating story or report of uncertain or doubtful truth.
Thank you, Mr. Cat. Mr. Cat, what does boost mean? Wow, Mr. Cat.
With excessive pride and self-satisfaction about one's achievements, possessions, or abilities.
Thank you, Mr. Cat. Mr. Cat, what does dreadful mean?
Causing or involving great suffering, fear, or unhappiness, extremely bad or serious.
Thank you, Mr. Cat. Mr. Cat, what does rob mean?
Take property unlawfully from a person or place by force or threat of force.